Can you afford to appear behind the times to your students, parents, teachers, and evaluators? Or is it important to you to be perceived as successful, savvy, in tune with the trends leading the modern institutional scene? Maybe you use the analog speech laboratory, which was the best at the time when you acquired it, and you want to replace it with a digital speech laboratory, but you are disappointed because you haven't replaced it with a digital speech laboratory, maybe because 1. You couldn't find any service provider that you can rely on. 2. You couldn't find a speech laboratory that is truly digital. 3. You haven't found a speech laboratory that could really help your teachers how to effectively train your students how to correctly pronounce words and sentences, with the right intonation and tempo. 4. Your budget may not be enough. Why worry about the budget for the upgrading of your obsolete and outmoded speech laboratory when you can trade it up or swap it with the most modern and most complete digital phonetic speech laboratory at only $75K monthly? Dear friend, if you are proud to see your students in the list of top national achievers, as you empower your teachers and increase your enrollment, this might be the most important information that you ever heard. Here's why: we have just improved and released a wonderful product called Phonetic Speech Laboratory. Here is a taste of what you'll discover in this astonishing digital speech laboratory. The 7 steps to train even your most hard-tongued students how to easily pronounce words and sentences correctly, with the right intonation and tempo. How to empower your teachers to diagnose and evaluate your students' pronunciation performance. The complete step-by-step program to easily develop your students' pronunciation and comprehension. You can use a system that is specifically designed for non-native speakers of English or for hard-tongued students. It's 100% guaranteed and it's been proven to be wildly effective. Our system reveals how you can train your students how to easily pronounce words and sentences correctly, with the right intonation and tempo, in 5 months or less, even if your students are coming from Harangi high schools. It's amazing. It's unequaled. It works. In addition to that, here's a sneak peek of what you'll get: Teacher's Digital Console preloaded with pedagogical lessons in video and audio, with one-to-one, group and broadcast modes, with self-study function, record and save function and paperless exam, 40 students machine, with monitor for premium power, 40 students headsets and 1 teacher's headset, headphones with mic, 142 flat screen, 2 levels of teachers modeling tools, demonstrating how sounds are produced, preloaded with pedagogical lessons with lots pronunciation practice. Call now 0920539471 or send email to bottomlinespeechlab@yahoo.com or type on your browser bottom in speech laboratory.